Bafowethu yazi bengilalele le talk lena i-talk uAndile Mncube abenayo bafowethu no coach waseKhukhune. Bafowethu yazi ukuthi siyabalimaza mfethu labantu bebhola bafethu ezama-fans. But-ke thina sisuke singayitsheli ukuthi siyalimaza. Yazi ukuthi umbuzile ngale ndaba yokuthi utolika, uyabo ukuthi uthini ngalento ukuthi abantu bebethi utolika abakwazi ukukhocha. And uyayichaza kayena ukuthi kahle kahle bona bafike vele laphana benawo ama-credentials okukhocha. But-ke uyazi-ke se-South Africa bafowethu ibhola besilithanda ngaleyo ndlela bafethu. But it was football banter bafowethu, it was football banter. Sombona laphana kweSikhukhune ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani ngoba phela nakhona kwi-Chiefs bafowethu basipruvile wrong, baprovile nje abantu abaningi wrong kwaukuthi baze bayithathe i-Kaizer Chiefs bayifake bayibeke ku-number 3. Kuprovile lokho ukuthi no why, and banominathiwe futhi even bobabili kuma-coach of the season, yabona. So it was a success kahle kahle even nale journey yabo laphana kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke ngoba niyazi bafethu thina eMzansi sinjani, siyabhantarisha kakhulu bafethu, siyabhantarisha kakhulu. Nje uyakhala nawe ukuthi hawu hhayi ngoba hhayi-ke ngicela bafethu ni-follow-we bafethu, khona nje ilink ilentozana engizosifaka la isithombe bafethu. Ngicela ni-follow-we leli channel bafethu, leli page lapha ku-Facebook bafethu, i-Diskiva Talk. Lana umuntu esengizoqala khona bafethu nje ngikhulume kakhulu ngezinto ezinebhola and sifaka wonke ama-team laphana bafethu. Sobe singalithathi uhlangothi, yabona, sobe singalithathi uhlangothi nje sikulethela ibhola lona lishisa bafethu. Ngiyacela ukuthi sifollowishe le account, ngiyacela bafethu, ngicela nje siyikhuliseni ukuze sizoqhubeka nathi senze i-content ezonijabulisa bafethu ephathelene ne-sport, especially diski bafethu, because mina ngumuntu we-diski.